Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this car speaker. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your speaker or wherever you're fixing. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. We pull out this speaker from a car, and because this was making a terrible sound. Still working and everything, but I make a weird sound. And when we took it out, I noticed that this connector is loose. You see, it's loose here. So I think that's the problem, and that's the problem. On this side, it's solid and it's working. You can see it is attached very well, and this is plastic. The good thing about this is that this is paper and it's easy to remove. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to clean here, remove all this old paper. I'm gonna clean these connections, the two connections, and this. I'm gonna use I don't know, whatever I can use to remove the paper, and then I'm gonna try to connect this plastic here. This is like a cell phone opener, but I think I can use it. I'm gonna try to screw in this hole this little plastic. So let me clean it out, okay? And sometimes I'm gonna pause my video so it won't be like super long, okay? So now that I remove the paper, so I'm gonna put some alcohol and like kind of wash the connections. Okay, so now I'm going to try to put a screw here and connect these two. So let's see if it works, okay? Okay, let's try to put this plastic over here. And I have a screw. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little hole here with my solder machine, just right there, so that way I can put a screw. Okay. So now I have to look for a screw that goes in there. Okay, so I found one. Okay. Okay, looks good. So now I need two small screws to attach these two connections. Okay, I was gonna put a screw over here, but I think with this glue is enough, because this glue, after it dries, it becomes like a plastic or like cement. So let's see how. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry, and then okay, so I put a lot of glue, and the glue is gonna become like plastic, and it's gonna seal to the red plastic, so that way it won't move anymore, and that's gonna fix the noise. Okay, so but tomorrow I'm going to test it, and I've been fixing speakers, and so I know that was the problem, the disconnection were unattached, and then that's why we're moving and making the sound. Okay, so hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and ask me questions, and check my other videos. Have a good day. Thank you.